Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting straight to the phone app. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and connected to cellular or Wi-Fi so voicemail can load. This is essential for visual voicemail. Once connected, tap the phone icon at the bottom, then the voicemail tab in the lower right. If you see a list of messages, great, those are visual voicemail entries. If not, you may see a call voicemail button, that's the fallback. Now proceed to select the message you want to inspect. Next, you'll play and manage the message. Tap any voicemail entry to reveal details like caller, time, and a transcript if your carrier provides it. Press play to listen. Use the scrubber to jump forward or back if you need a specific part. You can save or delete with the visible buttons, or tap share to send audio via messages or mail. Once done, use the three-dot or swipe actions to mark as unread or move to a folder for later. To finish, confirm saved messages and clean up unwanted ones. If voicemail didn't show or play, call your carrier's voicemail number to access messages the old way. This verifies they exist on the network. Once done, restart your iPhone and check for carrier settings updates in Settings General About, then reconnect to the network. If problems persist, reset network settings. This can fix configuration issues, but will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.